Wait, so sorry for my messy hair. I just take a nap and I just woke up. Okay, I'm gonna for messing my hair. That's better. So yeah, I will have a update now. My update is I'm gonna make a channel and we're gonna be on audition. If you had an audition, I will give you the email and the password of the new channel. So yeah, that's it. And what you're gonna do is say your real name, how many baby lives you have, what is the name of your baby lives, anything. Introduce your baby lives. Only if you have a baby alive. Okay? So the girls are sleeping, taking a nap, but I'm gonna do a feeding video later. So please check that out. And if this channel, Baby Alive, maybe 3,000 subscribers, 3,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be giveaway a MacBook. And yeah, first prize MacBook, second prize PSP, third prize Baby Alive. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Bye.